My Cocharia experience has been absolutely a life-changing experience. I never knew what coaching is before I really thought after losing few people during COVID times, and I was just not able to find out myself. I talked to few of my friends, and they said that like coaching is something which I should explore because I've always indulged in talking and helping others, and that comes naturally to me. So while I was really looking through different institutes, Cocharia happened to I came across Cocharia, and I felt the curriculum, the kind of trainers and the kind of reviews, everything looked very very appropriate. And then when I talked to few of my friends who are already into coaching, they also recommended Cocharia, and they said that they have passed out of Cocharia. And a couple of trainers also they named, and they said that it has been a really a fabulous experience. So that's how I took admission to coach in Cocharia, and after that there was no looking back because I don't know, I have never explored myself as a person. I never thought how life, what kind of life I'm leading, and how I can this normal nature of helping, how it can be groomed further. What exactly I need to be doing in order to genuinely help people. So while doing this particular course, I felt that I am coming close to exploring myself. What exactly what are the roadblocks, how I can improvise on me myself. And that's how once you can exactly know what you are, after that only you can help others, and that's how the whole journey has taken off from there. I'm glad that I chose Kucharia because I don't think anybody would have done justice to this particular part of my life, which is so very magical. So while I was kind of researching on the different trainers Coach Arya is having, I happened to come across Ujjwal, and I read about his life journey, and I saw that he had met with an accident, and that's how and then his whole transformation as a coach happened. I was absolutely astounded by the by this kind of journey that he shared, and like it was like totally an eye opener for me. So I'm glad that I really chose Ujjwal because not only as a coach or as a mentor, I actually look up to him even when I'm in any kind of dilemma, any kind of thought process, because the whole course, it may sound very easy and it may sound very simple, but when you start doing, suddenly out of your corporate life you start doing a course like coaching, it is actually a total mind rewirement, and you have to think through that what exactly you're getting into. It is extremely intense if you really like the subject. However, Ujjwal's every class he conducted, which was for 3 hours every Saturday, it was like as if it's a free flowing conversation. It was just like a discussion. I mean, and from there across we covered every possible blocks, every possible landmarks that is needed to attain your markers, or like really become a ICF credential coach. The kind of questions you need to ask, the kind of training you need, it came just naturally to us, and to all of us actually in our batch. And I don't think that I could have done any justice to my coaching had it not been Ujjwal. I highly recommend him for any person, any aspiring coach for ACC, PCC, or MCC. I don't think that anybody can. I mean, it's a blessing to be trained under him. I think I will certainly, for anyone, who is wanting to get into the career of coaching or just wanting to do coaching for to better himself. I mean, there is no, without a blink in your eye, you should just kind of look for Coach Arya because the structure is very good. The whole format is extremely, extremely interesting. And, nothing looks difficult. It just, you just flow. It's like a river that, you just start the journey and you just flowing into this particular, entire world of coaching. So I highly and they handhold you for each and every step, whether it is submitting your ACC, I mean like I mean for ACC, whatever you have to submit to ICF, or for peer coaching, or for conducting the hours. Everybody, the starting from the trainer to the fellow trainers, the other supporting staff, everybody has been extremely supportive. It's like a journey where you are having a support group who are just trying to help you to become a better person, to become a better coach. I mean, I really, I mean, I don't think that there is anything that Coach Arya, is not offering if you're wanting to become an aspirational coach or if you're wanting a career in coaching.